Daily English Sentences Used, Part 4. Good morning, everyone. Ready to tackle the day? Good morning, everyone. Ready to tackle the day? Let's start the morning meeting promptly at 9. Let's start the morning meeting promptly at 9. I'll send out the agenda beforehand. I'll send out the agenda beforehand. Who's taking notes today? Who's taking notes today? Can someone grab the whiteboard markers? Can someone grab the whiteboard markers? We need to finalize the quarterly reports by Friday. We need to finalize the quarterly reports by Friday. Don't forget about the client presentation at 2 p.m. Don't forget about the client presentation at 2 p.m. Any updates on the project timeline? Any updates on the project timeline? We have a team lunch scheduled for Wednesday. We have a team lunch scheduled for Wednesday. Could you check the printer for paper? Could you check the printer for paper? Let's schedule a brainstorming session for next week. Let's schedule a brainstorming session for next week. I'll book the conference room for our meeting. I'll book the conference room for our meeting. Is the Wi-Fi connection stable today? Is the Wi-Fi connection stable today? Remember to submit your expense reports by the end of the month. Remember to submit your expense reports by the end of the month. Don't leave food in the fridge past Friday. Don't leave food in the fridge past Friday. Can someone refill the coffee machine, please? Can someone refill the coffee machine, please? I'll handle the conference call logistics. I'll handle the conference call logistics. We're discussing the budget in today's meeting. We're discussing the budget in today's meeting. Let's aim for a 5% increase in productivity this quarter. Let's aim for a 5% increase in productivity this quarter. Are we on track to meet our targets? Are we on track to meet our targets? Please keep the office kitchen clean. Please keep the office kitchen clean. I'll email the updated project schedule to everyone. I'll email the updated project schedule to everyone. We need volunteers for the charity event next Saturday. We need volunteers for the charity event next Saturday. Did you send out the meeting invites? Did you send out the meeting invites? Let's celebrate hitting our sales target with a team outing. Let's celebrate hitting our sales target with a team outing. Remember to back up your files regularly. Remember to back up your files regularly. We're introducing a new employee recognition program. We're introducing a new employee recognition program. Could you fix the flickering light in the hallway? Could you fix the flickering light in the hallway? Let's set up a training session for the new software. Let's set up a training session for the new software. Have you reviewed the new company policies? Have you reviewed the new company policies? Don't forget to sign in and out of the office. Don't forget to sign in and out of the office. I'll order more office supplies this afternoon. I'll order more office supplies this afternoon. Can someone water the office plants? Can someone water the office plants? Great job today, team. Let's finish strong. Great job today, team. Let's finish strong. Thank you for watching.